The trick to learning more and having more success is finding the right way to frame the learning process. The Super Mario effect. And I really believe that if you reframe the challenges, it can make all the difference. Let's say I gave you a test and it had instructions on it that you would carry out, and it had buttons like this. And the instructions would say something like push button 3 for 5 seconds, and then push button 6 for 1 second, and so on. And unless you carried out the instructions on page 1 exactly, you couldn't see the other 32 pages of the test. Now suppose I changed the word test here to game, and I rotated this. And for the input device, I shrunk the buttons and moved them here, and I gave it a cool paint job, and maybe different button styles. And then instead of using words, I represented the tasks you needed to accomplish visually like this. Note the output is the exact same, but by reframing the learning process and focusing on the cool end goal, the fear of failure is often taken off the table, and learning just comes more naturally.